I'm just going to do the test again because I realized that the language was selected to German. So let's see whether you can hear it properly this time. I will turn that on. Press once lightly.
Battery 90%. Connected to 17NT8.
And it says connected, but the app, which you usually there we go, it says connected and it tells you the power. Let me turn that off again. Two seconds and it's off. So a quick press, just a light tap on the button here. And it says
Battery 100%.
sometimes it automatically connects.
Connected to
You can see that.
17NT8.
Connected and 90%. So while we're here, I may as well show you the app. It tells you there isn't much that you can do on this app. As you can see under the settings, it has power with motion detection. If you flip it over, it will turn off in 2 seconds. And then the next one, enable the voice prompts and the language. Now what I did going to mention here is it does support a voice assistant, but there is no way, not that I can find, maybe if you know how, that would just please comment. There is no way to activate any other voice assistant as I've seen so far other than Google. I can't seem to change it on the app itself. Maybe I can default it somewhere else, but there's no way on the app that I can find to change it to any other assistant other than Google. So there is a touch sensitive section which is this side here. If you swipe it outwards, you can increase the volume. Let me see if I can show you that. And if you swipe it outwards, it will increase the volume, which doesn't seem to be doing anything at the moment. Let me see if I play something. Right, just playing something at the moment. You obviously won't be able to hear that because, well, A, copyright reasons, B, I'm not showing it anywhere near the microphone. So let's see if we can reduce the volume. There we go. If you see the volume, swiping it down, and if you swipe it up, you can see the volume here increasing. It's quite responsive. It does what it needs to when you slide it, so it will work as it should. The volume control here is quite good, and it's only on this little section here, so it doesn't work here, it doesn't work on this part. It is only on where you can see the logo, this strip here. Yes, you can see here the Google Assistant has popped up. So by double tapping, that should bring up the Google Assistant. As you can see there, it's brought up the Google Assistant, and if you just press the button once, it will stop playing, and you press again, it will start playing. So that's quite handy.